2, and 3. And may I indicate that in dealing with those 3 issues, I'll be dealing with them together with Dr. Mudomi. My lords and my ladies, the 3 issues are to this effect. The first issue relates to the integrity of the technology, and the wording of that issue is whether the technology deployed by IEBC for the conduct of 2022 general elections met the standards of integrity, verifiability, security, transparency to guarantee accurate and verifiable results. The second issue relates to the question of whether there was interference with transmission, and it is to the effect whether there was interference with the uploading and transmission of Form 34A from the polling stations to the IEBC public portal. And the last issue that we will be dealing with Dr. Mudomi is the question of whether there are differences in Form 34A, and the wording is whether there was a difference between Form 34A uploaded to IEBC public portal and the Form 34A received at the National Tally Center and Form 34A issued to the agents at the polling stations. Now, my lords and my ladies, some of the issues that I will be discussing, or rather some of the issues we'll be discussing with my learned colleague, are issues that have been discussed, but we must mention them, especially considering what the petitioner in the petition that we are dealing with, the one by Honorable Raila, states at paragraph 35 of his petition. And in that petition, I'm just reading the second sentence of that plea, where he states, the evidence shows that the acts complained of were committed by third parties, senior employees of IEBC, acting in connivance with the second respondent in order to achieve a predetermined outcome in favor of the 9th respondent, and the 9th respondent for purposes of this petition is the first respondent. And so we are coming from the position that we maintain and insist that there was nothing that the first respondent did that could be said to have exceeded or to have amounted to collusion with the IEBC. And I would like to start my submissions by reference to the issue of Form 34A and what the first respondent and the second respondent did. My lords and my ladies, in Mainakia it was determined that Form 34A is for all practical purposes cast in stone. What Form 34A contains is the last word in respect to the wishes of the voters in the given polling station. And if it has to be in any way